In a small bowl, add 1 12-ounce can of evaporated milk, 1 packet of instant yeast, 1 tablespoon of white granulated sugar. Give it a mix. Cover and set aside for 10 minutes. Once your yeast looks all bubbly like this, then you're good to go. Add 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, 2 whole eggs plus 1 yolk. Give it a mix. Once mixed, set aside and grab a larger bowl. Add 3 cups of bread flour, 1/4 cup of white granulated sugar, 1/4 cup of dry non-fat milk powder, and 1 teaspoon of sea salt. Give it a whisk. Now we're gonna go ahead and add our yeast mixture. Mix these until they basically start to form a dough. Feel free to add more liquid or flour if needed. On a floured surface, go ahead and knead your dough. Once you're finished, place your dough in a greased bowl. A 1/2 cup of unsalted softened butter, 1/2 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, 2 tablespoons of cinnamon, a pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Give it a mix. Now we're gonna add some flour to the counter to make sure the dough does not stick. So I had my dough in the fridge overnight, actually 24 hours, so it's been a whole day. So now we're just gonna dump this out. So just slide out pretty easy. Woo! Now that's looking nice, real nice. Now you want to get a rolling pin and make sure you flour that as well, because you don't want nothing to stick. Also take a little flour and sprinkle it on top of the dough, because again, we don't want nothing to stick. And then just do your best to roll it into a rectangular shape. Once you rolled out your dough to your desired thickness, now we're gonna add in our sugar, our sweet butter, yeah. Let's call it a sweet butter.